Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or even your pet? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is here to end that frustration for good. These tiny trackers seamlessly integrate with your iPhone, making lost item recovery incredibly simple and fast. What truly sets AirTag apart is precision finding with Ultra Wideband technology. It literally guides you straight to your item. Imagine an arrow on your screen, showing you exactly how far and in what direction your misplaced item is, even if it's under the couch. Setting them up is a breeze. Just one tap on your iPhone and you're connected. It's that easy, truly living up to Apple's user-friendly reputation. Accidental spills or outdoor adventures? No worries. AirTag is IP67 water and dust resistant, built to withstand daily life. If you're looking for the best Bluetooth tracker and a smart investment for your peace of mind, grab your Apple AirTag 4-pack today. Unlike generic trackers, AirTag leverages Apple's massive Find My network, meaning billions of Apple devices anonymously help locate your item if it's far away. Find the Amazon link in the description below to secure your own and start tracking everything that matters. For unparalleled tracking accuracy, effortless setup, and robust durability, the Apple AirTag is undeniably the top electronics pick for 2025.